kiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua arenge imeye bunge ya ndia asiditkolio moelio lietala ya matuko abere imeye kaunti ya Kirinyaga asichinkwana chiae NIGO achikuleire chinyagitali una OMOROBERIO sha NIGO ligetie KOGWA bwangoiga ase abole chinyagitali chechikanisa gosaba esira yabo ya sha eyo eserikali ebwate maiga y'OMOROBERIO otaragwa waigoniga muchiri muraibwense Dr. William Ruto ase ogosalia ilietaliense ya Kenya asoko buna amachiko mulikito Edina Mora no roboti rwaso wime
Bunenchereyemo yokoenekia achisababu nchirororo chisaine abanainchi gotamochoro musikeruto asentunda ya kabire muraibwe kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua litukulia rero NIGO asanga nababwatani bekanisa ya ACK ime ya Kirinyaga ebunge ya ndia ase okomubulia chitoro omwamererio yomonene omusikeruto asogwateranse kirobobisi bogendereto gokorwa na serikali. Gachagua nigakwaniranga OMOROBERIO sha nigore yange KOGWA ase egeka kimitinyi itano no mere mutwe asakurire chinyagitali mono chiria chiteneneire nechikanisa basabe sira yabo kurwa ase OMOROBERIO sha iri gutanga okogwa kwaye.
I have information that SHA will collapse in another 6 months and will have a crisis of unknown magnitude in the health sector. Today, as we speak, our hospitals, especially the faith-based hospitals, are owed 90 billion, and they are almost shutting down. I want to give very humble advice, unsolicited though, to our hospitals. If SHA collapses, all our hospitals will collapse and will have a big crisis. Our hospitals should demand immediately the release of the 90 billion they are owed before they render more services to patients who come. Because if they don't, and SHA collapses, and they are owed billions of shillings, those institutions will collapse. I propose and I advise our hospitals to consider demanding upfront payment from SHA. We do the monthly average of what they collect from SHA. They get paid in advance.
Boigonigo abeire mamincha yenkwana yumurairoto aboigoro asatebetenga ensemwe kwa mirire serikali nigegenderete gusalirieta liense ya Kenya asatebire umuraibwense nero saliriense asokobeka machiko atabwenereti boigona kogenda mamincha yerichiko ne katiba.
I have heard the president say that we in the opposition are spoiling the name of the country. I want to tell him, no, it is not us. It is him. It is not us who told him to abduct children and kill them. That's how we got about them internationally. It is not we who told him to issue passports to criminals in Sudan. That is why our reputation as a country is bad. It is not us who told him to interfere with the internal affairs of Sudan and deal with the criminal groups. He is the one who is doing it.
Tatigeti koburia ababwatani basoe ase kiama kia DCP ikiagira na kiama kirayetoliense.
Mimi nikipata nafasi nikuwe rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya kupitia kura zenu na mapenzi ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Kazi ya kwanza nitatengeneza ni kitu inaitwa guaranteed minimum return. Bei ya kahawa na majani chai na maziwa ijulikane ni pesa ngapi ukienda kwa soko.
NIGO atarira chinsemo chinyinge chi ebunge ya ndia imeye kaunti ya Kirinyaga asogokora Etaro ya matukabire ase chinsemecho. Kuripoteria Ensoko TV ireta Nedina Mura.